Hello buddies, if you plan for Switzerland, here's a step-by-step guide on how to explore the mountains in Switzerland. 1. Plan your itinerary. Research destinations. Choose the mountain areas you want to visit, such as the Matterhorn, Jungfrau region, Mount Pilatus, or others. Season. Decide the best time to visit based on your preferred activities, skiing in winter, hiking in summer. 2. Travel documents. Visa requirements. Ensure you have a valid passport and, if necessary, apply for a Schengen visa. Travel insurance. Consider getting travel insurance that covers outdoor activities. 3. Book flights. Major airports. Fly into major Swiss airports like Zurich, Geneva, or Basel. Regional connections. From the airport, take trains or domestic flights to reach closer to the mountain regions. 4. Transportation in Switzerland. Swiss Travel Pass. Consider purchasing a Swiss Travel Pass, which provides unlimited travel on trains, buses, and boats, including scenic mountain routes. Scenic train rides. Use iconic train services like the Glacier Express, Bernina Express, or Gornergrat Railway to reach mountain destinations. 5. Accommodation. Book early. Reserve accommodations in mountain towns like Zermatt, Interlaken, or Grindelwald in advance, especially during peak seasons. Types of stays. Options range from luxury resorts and hotels to budget hostels and alpine huts. 6. Mountain activities. Guided tours. Consider joining guided tours for activities like hiking, skiing, or glacier exploring. Cable cars and funiculars. Use cable cars and funicular railways to access higher altitudes and enjoy panoramic views. Ski passes. If visiting in winter, purchase ski passes in advance for popular resorts. 7. Pack accordingly. Seasonal clothing. Pack appropriate clothing based on the season, warm layers for winter, light yet warm clothing for summer. Gear. Bring necessary gear like hiking boots, trekking poles, or ski equipment, can also be rented locally. 8. Local etiquette and safety. Respect nature. Follow leave no trace principles to preserve the pristine environment. Safety precautions. Be aware of weather changes, altitude sickness, and always follow marked trails. 9. Enjoy local culture. Festivals and cuisine. Explore local festivals and try Swiss delicacies like cheese fondue, raclette, and chocolate. Language. Learn a few basic phrases in German, French, or Italian, depending on the region. 10. Additional tips. Health precautions. Stay hydrated and take breaks to acclimate to high altitudes. Connectivity. Download offline maps and apps for navigation as connectivity can be limited in remote areas. Exploring Switzerland's mountains is a breathtaking experience, offering a perfect blend of adventure, natural beauty, and cultural richness.